Hey, what's up, guys? This is Ricky with In the Loop North County. New name is Centric Boys, bringing you all the car news. So I'm just here to touch bases with you guys with the Transportation Freedom Act. As of right now, we're just kind of holding tight. It's not gaining and it's not losing any steam. The only thing it's gaining is people that are supporting it. So more people are going to bat. More people are showing interest in the bill, knowing that, it's something that's going to help us all. But I think it's just a wave that we all have to ride out together. Like I said, there's nothing deflating the bill, but there's nothing pushing it forward, So I think they're taking more precedence in other stuff. Just recently, I think today, the second, a lot of the tariffs are now in place. So hopefully, we're going to see how the car world goes. The selling of vehicles is going to change. We'll see who starts coming back to the States and building stateside. Let's see if there's going to be a change. But as of right now, there really isn't nothing moving as far as the Transportation Freedom Act. So as of right now, folks, we still got to smog our cars. I did see a video of another podcaster that is saying that people are kind of misconstruing this whole Transportation Freedom Act. And really, guys, we're not here to tell you guys what to do. We're just keeping you guys informed. We want you guys to know that there is a potential for the CARB situation to go away in California. I hope it does as a consumer. I hope that the DMV fees and all that stuff go away, and we're able to just, live out the life of whatever cars we have with the emission, and then, the emission system, and then just go on from there. But so right now, we need to comply with CARB regulations, comply with federal regulations, and just keep pushing. But we will keep you guys up to date. We do check every single day. Looks like the DEF part, like for diesels and stuff like that, that's advanced a little bit. Don't have a whole lot more aside from what we've already put out there. But as of today, February, way back, April 2nd, 2025, we still got to do cars, and there's no advancement in the bill. It's just kind of hanging tight. Tariffs are in place as of today, April 2nd. I think today was everything was going to get pushed in. Victor and I actually talked about the tariffs as far as automotive and stuff like that, and I think those all are going into effect today. So tariffs are affecting a lot of different industries, not just automotive. It's a lot of manufacturing companies that are building overseas. They're all going to get touched by tariffs that had been put into place prior, and now the new tariffs. So, something we all got to deal with. So we'll see. But for right now, if you don't want to buy new, come see us at Centric Auto Repair. We'll take care of all your automotive needs. Thanks. This is Ricky. See ya.